So how can you shut down the iPhone with the buttons? Let me explain how it works. Let's get started. If you are first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe, and that way you are not going to miss anything important. So the iPhone can be turned off with multiple different methods. For example, you can go to the control center and find the button there. You can hold it down on the volume down and the power button at the same time, and the slide to turn off. And also you have the button in the settings general, and at the bottom you have the shut it down button, which again will allow you to swipe down or swipe to turn off the phone. So you can get to this state in multiple different ways. However, you can also perform this so-called hard reset, where you press the volume up, volume down, and hold down on the power button on the other side, and that will make the iPhone turn off without even pressing anything on the screen, which is, the method with 100% buttons only, right? So you're not touching the screen at all. And this is actually used if there is a glitch or a bug in the software, and for whatever reason it doesn't react to your touch. You can use this method to quickly reset the phone and shut it down that way, right? So that's how it functions. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.